Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a popular and powerful operating system for digital forensics, penetration testing, and ethical hacking. Kali Linux is a Debian-based distribution that comes with a wide range of tools for penetration testing and ethical hacking, digital forensic and investigation, reverse engineering and malware analysis, network security and auditing. Linux has some key features include live boot capability, huge repository of tools, customizable and flexible, support for multiple desktop environments, regular updates and maintenance. Linux is widely used by security professionals, researchers, and students to test and evaluate network security, identify vulnerability and weaknesses, conduct digital forensics, develop, test, exploit, and payload, learn and practice ethical hacking skills. Remember, Kali Linux is a powerful tool that requires proper knowledge and legal permission to use. Always use it ethically and responsibly. Let's go ahead and download Kali Linux. So type kali.org, click on download button. Since you are downloading it on our VM, we need to click on the virtual machine. Here, the previewed virtual machine. So we'll click on 64 bits for those of us using 64-bit machine, or we can click on 32 bits. So scroll down, I'm using 64 bits. Can click on VMware. For those of us using VirtualBox, go ahead and click on VirtualBox or Hyper-V. I'm using VMware Workstation. I'll click this. Click on Save. That started downloading. We need to wait for some time for it to complete download before we can import it. So it has started downloading. I can go ahead and cancel this download because I already have it downloaded on my system. Then we'll go to our download folder, downloads. As you can see, Kali Linux 2024.2. I need to take this zip folder. I need to paste it on my virtual machines. So I'll just copy this guy and paste it here. I'll click on it. Right click on the Kali. Then click on extract. Extract here. It has finished extracting. Double click on this folder. Double click on Kali Linux 2024.2 on this .vmx extension. So once you double click on the one with .vmx extension, we have successfully added Kali on our virtual machine. Then we need to click on Play Virtual Machine. Here, the default username and password for this Kali machine is Kali Kali. Type the username Kali, the password Kali. Click on Enter. We have successfully logged into our Kali machine. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.